Ever stared at a job posting with NetSuite plastered across it and wondered, is that actually a good gig? Like, really good. You're not alone. We've all seen those tech roles, the ones that promise the moon and deliver, well, maybe a slightly dented satellite. But NetSuite, it's different. It's not just another software. It's a behemoth in the cloud ERP world, and that raises a huge question. Does that translate to a hefty paycheck? Let's be honest, we're not just talking about covering rent here. We're talking about the potential for a career that's both lucrative and fulfilling. A career that lets you build a comfortable life, maybe even chase those bigger dreams. But to get there, we need to dig into the reality of NetSuite salaries. We need to cut through the noise and get to the numbers. Think about it. NetSuite is used by businesses of all sizes, from startups to global corporations. It's the backbone of their operations, handling everything from financials and inventory to customer relationships. That means the people who know NetSuite, the ones who can implement, manage, and optimize it, are in high demand. And in the world of tech, high demand typically equals high pay. But it's not as simple as saying, learn NetSuite, get rich. There's a whole spectrum of roles within the NetSuite ecosystem, each with its own salary range. We're talking about NetSuite administrators, developers, consultants, project managers, and even sales and marketing professionals with specialized NetSuite knowledge. And within each of those roles, experience, certifications, location, and the size of the company all play a significant part. So where do we start? Let's break down the most common NetSuite roles and see what kind of numbers we're talking about. First up, the NetSuite administrator. These are the unsung heroes of the system, the ones who keep it running smoothly day in and day out. They handle user management, data maintenance, and basic troubleshooting. Entry-level administrators might start in the $50,000 to $70,000 range in the US, but with a few years of experience and some certifications, that number can easily climb to $80,000 or even $100,000. Now, let's talk about the NetSuite developers. These are the wizards who customize and extend the system, writing suite scripts and building integrations. They're the ones who make NetSuite truly fit the specific needs of a business. And because of the specialized skills required, they often command higher salaries. A mid-level NetSuite developer could easily earn $90,000 to $120,000, and senior developers with extensive experience and expertise can pull in $130,000 or more. Then there are the NetSuite consultants. These are the experts who guide businesses through the implementation process, helping them set up and configure NetSuite to meet their specific requirements. They're part strategist, part technical expert, and part project manager. They need to understand both the technology and the business needs of their clients. Consultants can earn anywhere from $80,000 to $150,000, depending on their experience and the complexity of the projects they handle. And let's not forget the NetSuite project managers. These are the ones who keep the entire implementation process on track, ensuring that projects are completed on time and within budget. They need to be organized, detail-oriented, and excellent communicators. Project managers can earn $100,000 to $160,000 or more, especially if they have experience managing large-scale, complex NetSuite implementations. Now, you might be thinking, those are some impressive numbers, but what about the factors that influence salary? And you'd be right to ask. Location plays a huge role. Salaries tend to be higher in major tech hubs like San Francisco, New York, and Seattle, where the cost of living is also higher. But even in smaller cities, NetSuite professionals can still earn a competitive salary. Certifications are another key factor. NetSuite offers a range of certifications that validate your skills and expertise. Having a certification can significantly boost your earning potential. It shows employers that you're committed to your career and that you have the knowledge and skills to excel. Experience is also crucial. The more experience you have, the more valuable you become to employers. As you gain experience, you'll be able to handle more complex projects and take on more responsibility, which will be reflected in your salary. And finally, the size of the company matters. Larger companies typically have larger budgets and are willing to pay more for top talent. But even smaller companies can offer competitive salaries and benefits, especially if they're growing rapidly. But it's not just about the numbers. It's also about the benefits and perks that come with a NetSuite career. Many companies offer comprehensive benefits packages, including health insurance, retirement plans, and paid time off. Some even offer perks like tuition reimbursement, professional development opportunities, and remote work options. And let's not forget the job security that comes with a NetSuite career. As more and more businesses move to the cloud, the demand for NetSuite professionals is only going to increase. This means that you'll have a stable and rewarding career for years to come. So, to answer the question, does NetSuite pay well? The answer is a resounding yes. But it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires hard work, dedication, and a commitment to continuous learning. But the rewards are well worth it. Now, let's talk about how you can get started on your NetSuite career path. If you're new to NetSuite, there are a few things you can do to get started. First, you can take online courses to learn the basics of the system. There are many reputable online learning platforms that offer NetSuite training. You can also get involved in the NetSuite community. There are many online forums and groups where you can connect with other NetSuite professionals and learn from their experiences. And finally, you can start building your own NetSuite skills by working on personal projects. You can create your own NetSuite account and start experimenting with the system. If you're already working in the tech industry, you can start looking for opportunities to transition into a NetSuite role. You can also start networking with other NetSuite professionals and attending industry events. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.